Hello, today we do some smoking. I bought some uh, turkey drumsticks. First time I make something like that. So we're gonna hot smoke them. Uh, they need a kernel temperature of 87 or 84 degrees Celsius. So that's what we go for. First, we have to cure the drumsticks. I use I got about 3 liters of drinking water. I add uh, I add 210 gram of salt. In this case, it's sea salt, but you can also use regular table salt. Just what you got. Okay, and then I add some spice herb mix. I will give you the ingredients. I use them quite a bit also for different uh, styles, also for fish. Okay, the smoking. I use the smoker box, the wooden box what we built together with you. I didn't get quite the time to do that. Easy over here. No, not really. Okay. Yeah, smoking. This is a little bit of redneck smoking, I would call it. Sorry. I got an old grill, electrical grill. I put it on fire last year. I did some pork belly strips, and I said, man, well, there's a lot of water dripping into the pan of the grill, but I didn't really think about that. And the coils of the heating system get hotter and hotter, and the fat was dripping on one of the well, of the heating system, and that was burning right away, the flame. And then the next second, the pan, all the oil was collected in there, gets started the fire. I only almost panic. So how I get the flames out? Never throw any water in the pan with fat if it's burning or cooking, because the flames will spit all over your kitchen or whatever is near. So well, better never do that. I mean, you will find some videos in the internet. You might take a look. You might want to take a look how dangerous that is. So you need to find another way. Put a towel or a blanket over the fire to get the flames out, but never use water. So okay, I thought I took another empty pan, put it on top of the other one, hoping the fire will go out, and yeah, it did. But when I took the pan up, I saw the whole housing of the grill, which is plastic, was burning on one side, and the liquid plastic was dripping dripping down. And well, and that was the when I got some water and I poured it slowly on the plastic, just making sure it's not in the pan. And well, that way I got get the fire out. Otherwise, yeah, in trouble. I mean, I was in trouble anyway. Okay, I use this heating system, which has a thermostat. I use for the barbecue, well, for the barbecue box for smoking. It's very nice if you want a hot smoke. You want to have a certain temperature. It's the drumsticks should have an internal temperature from about 84 degrees, I guess, or is it 74? I'm not sure right now. You put the thermostat on a certain temperature. I mean, it's a little bit guessing because there are no scales or whatever on there. So I try to get around between 80 and 90 degrees, somewhere like that. And then I start smoking. I get this little frame for the sawdust, for the smoking sawdust. When I fill that completely up, it delivers smoke for about 6 hours, maybe even longer. And I just put in there one row of sawdust. So I thought, well, it will go at least 1 hour uh, before this is done. So that'll give me a lot of time for doing the smoking. So, well, get the temperature going, and then I put this sawdust frame on top of the heating. Put the rack in with the drumsticks, and put a lid on top so the smoke will still stay inside. And well, that's about it. The rest is waiting till the internal temperature of the meat of the drumsticks are reached, so you know it's done. And that's actually easy. Just check the temperature from while to while, or well, the one I have, they are giving alarm if the temperature is too low or too high. So it's if you get something like that, it makes it a lot easier. Otherwise, you have to check frequently what's going on. Okay, and well, after this smoking part was over, I put everything or the drumsticks in a pan and get the outside more crisp, because that's the bad part about smoking. You usually not get the temperature to get a crust on the outside, so it's more feels more like cooked with the differences, of course. But it's if you got just use a grill where you put the meat on after you finished, or put it in a pan and just give it some hot temperature on the outside, so you got a crust and more taste. Well, you don't need to do that when you smoke fish, because there's no need to do that. But for the drumsticks or other meat, you can also smoke chicken, or well, whatever you prefer, you can put in there. Okay, that was it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you back in the next video. Take care.